In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Assistant. We'll walk through the exact screens in the Google app and make sure voice activation is ready to go so you can start using hands-free commands right away. First, open the Google app on your phone. This is the standard Google search app you likely use every day. If you don't see the options I mention, make sure the app is updated to the latest version and that you're connected to the internet. Inside the Google app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Google keeps all the preferences that control how Search and the Assistant behave on your device. Next, tap Google Assistant. This section manages your Assistant features, including how it looks, responds, and which experience you're using. Now, select Digital Assistant. Here you'll see options that determine the Assistant experience on your device. On this screen, toggle on Gemini. Turning on Gemini gives you Google's newest Assistant experience. It still handles your everyday Assistant tasks, like reminders, timers, and quick answers, but with upgraded capabilities when you want them. If you see a confirmation page or an option to make Gemini your assistant, go ahead and confirm it. Then go back to the previous screen and tap Gemini again if you're prompted to finalize the selection. The goal is to ensure Gemini is the active assistant experience from within the Google app. With the assistant set, look for the option labeled Hey Google. Tap that, and then follow the prompts on your screen. This is where you'll enable voice activation. The setup may ask you to grant microphone permissions and to say a few sample phrases so it can recognize your voice. Speak clearly in a quiet room and hold the phone a comfortable distance from your mouth. If the app asks for additional confirmations, continue following the on-screen instructions until it confirms that Hey Google is ready. That's it. You've enabled Google Assistant and activated voice access through the Google app, with Gemini set as your digital assistant. If any option looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Menu names can vary a bit by region or app version, but the path is the same. Google app, your profile, settings, Google Assistant, Digital Assistant, then Gemini, and finally, Hey Google to complete voice setup. You can revisit these same settings anytime to adjust preferences or retrain your voice. Enjoy your hands-free experience and the added flexibility of the latest assistant features.